romantic terrace for people chilling, relaxing. Through the summer we have chairs here or something to lay down so you can chill, have a drink, smoke, whatever. Just enjoy yourself. This is why we are here. See? Rooftops. Nice, huh? This is a big terrace. Huge, big terrace. See? Nice. This is the bell tower of Saint Anastasia, Zadar Cathedral. This is a town watch. See that tower over there? That's a town watch. This is a town hall. See the white building just up by the bell tower, or Saint Simone or Sveti Šime as the other people call it. We have his body over there and he held Jesus in his arms. That's a huge, huge, huge Bible figure. Well, that's all. Old Town Paradise. Apartments and rooms for rent. Cheers!